all of us right now are faced with a lot of challenges coming out of COVID, dealing with life circumstances, dealing with natural disasters, dealing with the trauma that's going on in our communities, and that with school shootings or, things like that. There's a lot of hatred in the world, and we're all faced with that anxiety and the depression. I said, but take a look at these children. I said, I'm gonna just kind of talk about a couple of the behaviors. And I said, I want you to raise your hand if you know a child that has some of these behaviors. And I said, 1 out of 5 children having a serious mental health condition that requires external support. 1 in 5. I said 1 in 59 children has autism, which we all hear about. And so it wasn't necessarily proving to people that this facility was needed. It was showing them in a way that they understood. And when you break it down into statistics and you allow the creativity, which I'm a very creative person to kind of take away, but you also know that, no, this is something that needs to be done. It's not another bookstore, it's not another restaurant. We're opening up a center that's really gonna make an impact on the lives of our families and our communities. They were all for it.